Today I'm going to share with you a makeup look inspired by a recent work trip I took to Copenhagen. I loved the beautiful colors and textures, but most of all the cozy quality of Danish life, called hooga. I pulled my color palette from the Colourful Houses you see here. Spiced up warm shades, mixed with cool deep hues. The look is effortless, relaxed, and I love the way it photographed in the end. I've already prepped my skin with a bit of moisturizer, a lightweight foundation, a little bit of concealer, and a soft coat of a sheer powder on my T-zone. Lately, I've been using the ARMANI Maestro Eraser Concealer, also as an eyeshadow primer. I love how thin the formula is, it doesn't feel cakey, and it holds the eyeshadow really nice. I also put a little bit on the bottom lash line. Okay, I think you can tell by the wear of this palette that I really love it. This is Soft Glam by ANASTASIA, and I'm going to be using this burnt orange color. I'm using a shader brush, which is a rounded, soft, flat brush. It picks up a lot of color, and you can pat it and just sort of pack the color all over the eyelid. I apply it on the other side as well, and then I'll use a soft, round brush like this with a color called Rustic, and start adding it into the corners, the crease of the eye, and blending it back and forth. And also blend the color outward. Using a pencil brush, I'll take the same color and apply it on the bottom lash line, and I connect it onto the corners of the eye, adding more concentration of color there and bringing it out. It just creates the illusion that the eyes are a lot larger. To intensify the eyes, I'll take this Cypress Umber shade, which is a really deep chocolatey brown, and I'll use an angled brush and sweep the color right underneath the lash line towards the corner. And I really blend it out, and then I also take it onto the top portion of the eye, mostly concentrating the color on the outer corners of the eye, and make sure that I go back with my little pencil brush and blend it all in place. To give the eyes that warm, cozy feeling, I'm taking that sienna color that you saw there with a soft, fluffy brush and just blending it into the crease. So now for the fun part, and what makes this look so unique is that I'll be using the YSL Couture Kajal number 3. It is a gorgeous shade of like this deep marine blue. It looks amazing on different skin tones, but if your eyes are brown, I'm telling you, this will really enhance the brown in your eyes. It's so pretty. I'm applying a generous coat also on the top lash line and making sure that I blend it all in place with a pencil brush. Once that's all blended in, I'll take my lash curler, really bend the lashes, and then take my ARMANI mascara, which I love because it makes them nice and thick and full because I have really small eyelashes, but it works really well for me. I'm not one to use false eyelashes on a day-to-day basis, just on special occasions. So I like to use a lot of mascara, so I probably apply like 2 to 3 coats. Just one last coat, and there you go. I just love how thick and full it makes my lashes look. Now to add a little warmth to the face, I love this color. It's by INGLOT from the JLo collection. It's J121. And it's a beautiful coral pink that I think looks great on a lot of different skin tones. I use the rounded back part of a beauty blender and just sort of press the color onto my cheeks. Then I'll put a little bit onto the lips for a stain. I'm going to hydrate and prime my lips with a little cotton swab soaked with coconut oil. I want my lips to have a really light gloss effect, but not making it feel sticky or look super glossy. I recently picked up this lipstick by Maybelline called Spicy Mauve. It's a warm, neutral pink, and it has a sheer to medium coverage. I really love the texture. And on me it looks a little bit more pink, but that's because I added the blush stain underneath my lips just to give me a little bit more color. And there you have it. Now it's time for me to fluff up my hair, get ready, put on my earrings, and take a little selfie and see how this photographs. But this is my warm and cozy hooga look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And if this video gave you a little inspiration on doing something different with your makeup, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below if there's anything else or other topics you'd love to see on this channel.